Chapter 4. Editing and Formatting in MS Word. Topics covered. An overview of Word 2016. Copying and moving text. Undo and redo operations. Checking spellings and grammar mistakes in Word. Thesaurus. Formatting in Word 2016. Printing a document. An overview of Word 2016. We can create a document in Word 2016 by opening a blank document. We can save our document in MS Word 2016 with the file extension docx. The shortcut key for saving a file in MS Word 2016 is Ctrl+S. We can also print our document by specifying the number of copies to be printed. The printout of a document is known as the hard copy. Opening MS Word. To start MS Word 2016 in Windows 10, follow the steps given below. Step 1. Click the Start button. Scroll down to the alphabet W in the Start menu. Step 2. Click Word 2016 in the list. The opening screen of Word 2016 appears. Step 3. Click the blank document option from the right pane of the screen. The Word window appears with a blank document. Let us have a look at the various parts of the Word window. Quick Access Toolbar, Title Bar, File tab, Ribbon, Rulers, Cursor, Document Window, Status Bar, View Buttons, Zoom Slider. Inserting text in a document. When a blank document is created, we can start typing text in it. As we type, the cursor will move forward in the right direction. As soon as the cursor reaches the end of the current line, it will move to the beginning of the next line. This feature of Word is known as word wrapping. If we want to start a new paragraph, we can press the Enter key on the keyboard. Editing in Word. Once we have typed some text in the document, we may need to change as per our need. Making changes in the existing text is known as editing. To edit the text, it needs to be selected first. Selecting text. When we select a piece of text, it gets highlighted with gray shade. We can select the text in different ways. To select a single word, double-click the word. To select a single line, press the Ctrl key plus single-click on the sentence. To select a paragraph, triple-click anywhere in the paragraph. To select a large block of text, click at the beginning of the text, hold the Shift key and click at the end of the text. To select the whole document, hold down the Ctrl key and click anywhere in the selection area or triple-click in the selection area. Cyber Tidbits. The gray area on the left side of the document is known as the selection area. Here, the mouse pointer turns in the opposite direction, i.e. to the right. The following table lists the different shortcuts used to select text using a keyboard. Keyboard shortcut. Action. Ctrl+A. To select the whole text in the document. Shift plus left arrow key. To select text on the left side of the cursor. Shift plus right arrow key. To select text on the right side of the cursor. Shift plus up arrow key. To select text on the left side and above the cursor. Shift plus down arrow key. To select the text on the right side and below the cursor. Shift plus home. To select text from the cursor till the beginning of the line. Shift plus end. To select text from the cursor till the end of the line. Copying and moving text. Word allows us to copy or move text from one place to another in the same or another document. When we move the text, it is removed from its original location, whereas, while copying, the copy of the same text appears to the new location. To copy or move the text, follow the steps given below. Step 1. select the desired text we want to move or copy. Step 2. To copy the text, click the Copy button on the Clipboard group on the Home tab, and to cut the text, click the Cut button. Step 3. Place the cursor on the location where we want the text to be moved or copied and click the Paste button in the Clipboard group. We can also right-click on the selected text and move/copy it with the help of options in the shortcut menu. Alternatively, press Ctrl+C for copy, Ctrl+X for cut, and Ctrl+V for paste operation. Cyber tidbits. When you press Ctrl+X or Ctrl+C on the keyboard, the cut or copied text is placed in a temporary storage area in Windows. This area is known as Clipboard. Deleting text. While typing some text, it is quite possible that we make some typing or spelling mistakes. To rectify those mistakes, we can use the delete or backspace keys. The delete key removes the text on the right side of the cursor, and the backspace key removes the text from the left side of the cursor. If we want to delete one character at a time, we can press the delete key or the backspace key once. If we want to delete one word at a time, we can use Ctrl+Delete keys to delete a word from the right side of the cursor. Ctrl+Backspace keys to delete a word from the left side of the cursor. Undo and redo operations. Undo and redo are one of the most important and useful tools provided in Word. Undo is used to reverse the effect of the last action performed, and redo is used to cancel the effect of the undo command. The undo and redo buttons are present on the quick access toolbar, present on the left side of the title bar. You can also press the Ctrl+Z on the keyboard for undo and Ctrl+Y for redo operation. Checking spelling and grammar mistakes in Word. The spelling and grammar feature of Word lets us check the spellings and grammar mistakes in our document all at once. It also suggests corrections while we work. There is an autocorrect option which automatically corrects the spellings of some common words as we type. Spelling errors are underlined with a single red wavy line, and grammatical errors are underlined with a single blue wavy line. To correct the spelling of any word in our document, follow the steps given below. Step 1. Right-click on the word underlined with a red wavy line. A shortcut menu appears. Step 2. Select the correct spelling from the suggestions list. The word is replaced. To correct the grammatical mistake in your document, follow the steps given below. Step 1. Right-click on the word underlined with a blue wavy line. A shortcut menu appears. Step 2. Select the correct option from the suggestions list. The grammar mistake is rectified. Thesaurus. Thesaurus means vocabulary or dictionary. This feature helps in finding the synonyms, different words with the same meaning, and antonyms, words with the opposite meaning, of a desired word. To use this feature of MS Word, follow the steps given below. Step 1. Select the word for which we want to find a synonym or antonym. Step 2. Click the Review tab and then select the Thesaurus option in the Proofing group. Alternatively, press Shift+F7 on the keyboard. The Thesaurus pane appears on the right side of the window, displaying the synonyms and antonyms of the selected word. Step 3. Click the down arrow next to the word we want to choose and select the Insert option from the drop-down menu that appears. The existing word will be replaced with the new one. Alternatively, right-click on the selected word. A shortcut menu appears. Point to synonyms and then choose the desired word from the list. Formatting in Word 2016. Formatting means changing the appearance of a document. It makes our document more attractive and interesting. Formatting includes the following operations: changing the font, font size, font color, font style, etc. Changing the text alignment, line spacing and paragraph spacing. Applying numbered and bulleted lists to the text. Changing text case. Applying borders and shading. Note that most of the formatting tools are present on the Home tab on the ribbon. Changing the font and font size. A font is a set of printable or displayable text characters in a specific style and size. In MS Word 2016, the default font face is Calibri with 11-point size. To change the font face and / or size of the text, follow the steps given below. Step 1. Select the desired text. Step 2. Click on the arrow next to the font box on the Home tab in the font group. A drop-down list appears. Step 3. Select the desired font from the list. Step 4. Click on the arrow next to the font size box and select the desired size for the text. Applying bold, italics and underline effects. The bold, italics, and underline effects are used to emphasize some important text or a heading. All these buttons are present in the font group on the Home tab. Bold, it makes the selected text darker from the rest of the text. Italics, it slants the selected text to the right. Underline, it underlines the selected text. Word provides various underline styles. Simply click the down arrow on the underline button and choose the desired underline style from the list displayed. Keyboard shortcuts. Ctrl+P for making the text bold. Ctrl+I for making the text italics. Ctrl+U for making the text underlined. Changing the font color. In Word, the default color of the text is black. We can change the color of the text as and when required. To do so, follow the steps given below. Step 1. Select the desired text. Step 2. Click the down arrow on the font color button in the font group. A color palette appears. Step 3. Choose the desired color. The text will appear in the selected color. We can also change the font size, font style and font color all at once with the help of Font dialog box, which appears when we press Ctrl+T on the keyboard or click the Font dialog box launcher on the bottom right corner of the font group on the Home tab. Changing the text alignment. Text alignment is the placement of the text with respect to the document area. In MS Word, there are 4 options for alignment. Align left option aligns the text along the left margin. Align right option aligns the text along the right margin. Center option aligns the text as per the midpoint of the document area. Justify option aligns the text along both left and right margins. Align left. Center. Align right. Justify. These options are present in the paragraph group on the Home tab. To change the alignment of the text, follow the steps given below. Step 1. Select the paragraph of which we want to change the alignment. Step 2. Click the desired alignment option in the paragraph group. Keyboard shortcuts. Ctrl+L for left alignment. Ctrl+R for right alignment. Ctrl+E for center alignment. Ctrl+J for justified alignment. Changing the text case. We can type the text in uppercase as well as lowercase. Word provides a change case feature which lets us change the case of the text in our document without having to write the text again. There are 5 case options available in Word. Sentence case. This option is used to capitalize the first letter of each sentence. Selected. Lowercase. This option is used to convert the selected text to lowercase. Uppercase. This option is used to convert the selected text to uppercase. Capitalize each word. This option is used to capitalize each word in a sentence. Toggle case. This option is used to convert every word into its reverse case. That is, uppercase changes to lowercase and vice versa. To change the text case, click the Change Case button in the font group and then select the desired option from the drop-down list that appears. We can also press Shift plus F3 keys to change the case of the selected text. Changing the line spacing. Word allows us to change the spacing between two lines of a paragraph as per our need. We can change it to single space, one line high, double space, two lines high, or any other amount we want. To change the line spacing in a document, follow the steps given below. Step 1. Select the desired text. Step 2. On the Home tab, click the Paragraph Settings dialog box launcher. In the paragraph group, the paragraph dialog box appears with indents and spacing as the current tab. Step 3. Choose the desired line spacing from the line spacing drop-down box in the spacing section and then click OK. The spacing between the lines is changed. Changing the paragraph spacing. Just like line spacing, Word also allows us to increase the spacing between the two consecutive paragraphs. To change the paragraph spacing in a document, follow the steps given below. Step 1. Select the paragraphs between which you want to increase the spacing. Step 2. On the Home tab, click the Paragraph Settings dialog box launcher. In the paragraph group, the paragraph dialog box appears. Step 3. Enter the desired paragraph spacing in the before and after boxes in the spacing section. Step 4. Click OK. The spacing between the paragraphs is changed. Applying bullets and numbering. A bullet is a small graphic symbol that can be used to show different items in a list. A numbered list is generally used to show a sequence of events. To apply bullets or numbering to a certain lines of text in a document, follow these steps. Step 1. Select the lines of paragraphs on which we want to apply bullets or numbering. Step 2. Click the down arrow on the Bullets button. On the paragraph group on the Home tab, a list of bullet styles appears. Choose the desired bullet style. Click the down arrow on the Numbering button. On the paragraph group on the Home tab, a list of numbering styles appears. Choose the desired numbering style. Printing a document. To print a document, follow the steps given below. Step 1. Click the File tab and then click the Print option or press Ctrl+P on the keyboard. The various printing-related options and the preview of the document are displayed. Step 2. In the Copies box, enter the number of copies that we want to print. Step 3. In the Printer section, select the desired printer. Step 4. Click the Print button to start printing the document. Print Preview. Before printing a document, we can see how our document will look like when it is printed on paper. This feature of MS Word is called Print Preview. This feature has many benefits. It helps us change the page margins, page size, and page orientation. We can preview the overall formatting of our document. We can also zoom in and zoom out the document with the help of a zoom slider at the bottom right corner of the print window. We can also view multiple pages at the same time in the preview of our document.